Hello. So I'm going to quickly show you how to put in lighting because I'm assuming that's the issue. So first, if you don't have a ceiling, you're going to put that in. You go to architecture and then ceiling, and then you want to sketch it because most of the time it's not going to pick it up. So you just go to this button right here. You can zoom in a little bit, put your little ceiling in there. Okay, you're just going to hit OK. And it says here it's at 8 feet, but like for our project, it'd be 9 feet. So you can just go over here and change it like so. Okay. Okay, so to put in lights, a little tricky because you have to do a couple different views for it to work. So whenever you download an object and it's not gonna like import right unless you put it in the right view. So like let's say, let's see if I have any. Have any lights? No. Okay. Let me get a light real fast. Okay, let's say I like this one. Okay. You download it from, oh, if you don't know this website already, it's called BIM Object. And that's where you can get all your stuff mostly, especially lighting. So then once you get there, you select the Revit one, you download it. And you have to sign in. Okay, you have to download it, press that button, and then you'll just open it from there. It'll tell you if you want to upgrade the model, you always say yes. And then here's your pretty little light. And like here, you can adjust sometimes you can adjust the length of this. Sometimes it won't let you, it just depends. So you just kind of have to play around with it. But like with this one, it doesn't show that I can change it, at least here. So like you can go to this button sometimes, it's called family types, and if you press that, sometimes it will give you like, okay, so this is distance from ceiling. So that's like the length, and it's like in millimeters because this obviously was like produced in another country. But you can actually just put an American measurement and it will convert it automatically. So if you only want it 3 feet from the ceiling, you can just type in 3 feet and then hit OK. Oh, well, this one. So you have to put like literally 3 and then the symbol like that. Okay, then it converted it like that. Then you hit OK. And then it changed it. So you can edit that way. You can also edit your light, but I would wait to do that like after you get everything set up. So then you're going to press load into project and close. You always want to close it, otherwise it's going to keep it open and it's going to make your file really big. So just press that button. And then you'll just say, yeah, you want to save the changes. And then it's going to be in here, but it's going to have this weird symbol because it's saying that you can't put the light in the level 1 floor plan. So you actually have to go to your ceiling plan like that. And so the grid right here is just the grid for the type of ceiling that it is, but you can like highlight one of those and change it to generic and it will make it basically just like drywall. But before you do that, you want to put in your light. So you'd think you would put it in this way, but actually, unfortunately, Revit doesn't make it that easy. So what you want to do is go to this little symbol right here. It looks like a little house. It's called Default 3D View. You're going to click on the arrow, and it's going to give you some options. So you hit Camera, and then you can go any part of the room over here. But you can like click where you want to see something, and then you're going to drag out the lines across the room. And then you'll click again, and oh wait, I did this in the ceiling level 1 view. You actually never do that. So you have to go back into level 1 and then repeat that step. Okay, now we're actually inside the room. So the reason why you need to put in the light fixture in this view is because it's the only way it's going to go in right. So then once you're there, you're going to hit Architecture, Component, and your light should pop up because it was the last thing you downloaded. So from here, then you can see that it connects automatically to the ceiling. If we hadn't have done this, it would have either been like upside down or connecting like sideways, so it would have been all jacked up. So just click once, and then from here, you just do it one time, just anywhere, it doesn't matter. Then you go back into your ceiling plan level 1. And then you can see here, this is the light fixture, right? So since you already did it once, it's already set, which means that you can take this, move it around, and it will be set in stone. It's fine. And then you can just use the copy tool and then click on the fixture once, and then you can copy it over to somewhere else. So like, let's say I want it here, you click, and it makes another one, and it's going to be perfectly attached to the ceiling because this one was already preset. That makes sense? So that's all you need to do with that. And then just get all your lighting set up, and then later go back, and if you want to change the color of it or something, that's a whole nother thing. But yeah, that should at least get you started. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. It's really not that bad. But yeah, that's like the little trick that you can use to get around that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.